Hi guys, today is June 22nd, 2020. About 3 weeks ago, I grafted orange and clementine mandarin onto this lemon tree. So it has been 3 weeks. Today I'm going to check out the graft status. We started from the bottom. I'm going to remove the aluminum foil. Let me remove the paraffin. This is tea budding. This is chip budding. Let's move close to here. You can see, let's focus on the tea budding. So you can see the white colors of there, and the orange, it's still green. So definitely I'm sure the tea budding works. So chip budding, you can see the colors, right? And but a little bit some brown and a dark spot on the chip, orange chips. So I'm not sure whether this works or not. Let's move up to another orange grafting. Let me open this aluminum foil. I labeled orange. I think this is chip budding. Let me remove this paraffin. Okay, so right now you can see clearly. I labeled here orange chip. This is chip budding. So you can see this chip still green, but let me see. Yeah, I still can see some colors. Yeah, looks good, not bad. So we will see. Hey guys, let's move up to the clementine mandarin. Let's check out grafting status. First, let me remove the aluminum foil. Here I have 3. I think there's a tea budding and a chip budding for clementine mandarin. First, let me remove the paraffin first. Hi guys, I already removed the paraffin. So you can see a labeled M and M is mandarin. This and this one, both are tea budding. So you can see it inside. Focus. Come on. Still green. Looks good. So kind of here is like a black. I'm not sure, but inside, kind of chip. Sign still green. Okay, so let's move to the other side. Here is I think it's chip budding. Okay, this is mandarin chip budding. As you can see, the chip, the sign still green, and around this chip you can see the colors. Looks beautiful. This is orange whip and a tongue grafting. As you can see, this branch still green. Looks good. So okay, let me remove the paraffin and the rubber band right here. Then I'm going to check out. I already removed the paraffin, but the rubber band still wrapped there. But you can see all the branch is green, dark green. It looks so beautiful. Okay, let me remove the rubber band. There is paraffin. Let me remove that one. You can see the green, the dark green part is orange branch. Focus. So looks very, very beautiful, very, very successful, because all the branch is green, and you can see the graft union. It's beautiful, and you can check right here. It's beautiful, no brown and dark color. So that means this is fantastic, beautiful branch. It's orange branch onto the lemon tree. So this is whip at the top, grafting. So it's really, really good. The last grafting is called side-tone grafting. It's orange sign onto the lemon tree, the main branch. So let's check out. I already removed the parafilm wrapped sign. You can see the sign from orange tree, still green. Nice. And you can see here on the top of that main branch of this lemon tree, I once cut off the top part and generate another new lemon tree. You can check out my YouTube channel, find more information about that air layering lemon tree. So on the top of that part, you can see a little bit white stuff, kind of mold, but anyway, it's okay because I'm going to remove all the parafilm and the rubber band and exposed to the air. During the summertime, it's going to dry out. So let's remove the rubber band and the parafilm. Check right here. You can see the grafting unit. It's beautiful. The branch still keep green, and the main branch also is green. No any other issue. So actually the most important if the sign is branch or chip from other citrus, if it still keep green, that means your grafting is very successful. So I'm going to check out later to see whether I can find any new leaves or new branches growing from this sign. Tea body still keep green. This is one chip body and another chip body. All these three is from orange tree. So fortunately, the tea body still keep green. The chip body kind of color is turned brown color. It's a bark color. I'm not sure it can still produce some new leaves or not. This is tea body. They still keep green. This is chip body for mandarin, for clementine mandarin. You can see here, still keep green. That's nice. This is orange sign. I use whip and a tongue grafting technique to graft this orange branch onto this lemon tree. You can see right here there are some new growths. Check out right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 new growths from the leaf buds. All the branch is still green. That's really nice. This is a bark grafting. Right now you can see 2 leaf growths right here and right here. All the branch from orange still keep green. So, based on the techniques, it is very clear that whip and tongue grafting and bark grafting very successful. I already grafted orange branches onto this lemon tree. But for tip budding and chip budding, kind of tip budding is more successful. I'm not sure right now about chip budding. Only one chip budding from Clementine mandarin still keep green, but two other chip buddings from orange already turned brown color.